Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about properties of alkyl halides. Properties of alkyl halides. So actually first property, reaction with metals, already completed in previous classes. Reaction with metals, already completed. Second property, elimination reactions, it is also completed. Elimination reactions completed. And next third one, very important, some other chemical reactions. So first one Schwarz reaction. Second one Finkelstein reaction. Third one Williamson's synthesis. And fourth one Friedel-Crafts alkylation. And fifth one is reaction with ammonia, NH3. So these properties are completed in previous classes. Schwarz reaction, Finkelstein reaction, Williamson's synthesis, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, ammonia. So first one reaction with metals, second one elimination reactions, next one some other chemical reactions. So in some other chemical reaction, first one Schwarz reaction, Finkelstein reaction, Williamson's synthesis, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, and reaction with ammonia. So these above properties are completed in previous classes. Okay. So next heading. So first property, react with metals. Second one, elimination reactions. And third property, some other chemical reactions. Some other chemical reactions like Schwarz reaction. First one Schwarz reaction, second Finkelstein, third one Williamson synthesis, and fourth one is Friedel-Crafts alkylation, and fifth one ammonia. Next, sixth one is react with potassium cyanide. So actually first heading react with metals, and second heading elimination reactions, and third heading some other chemical reactions. So first one potassium cyanide, reaction with potassium cyanide. So generally potassium cyanide formula KCl. Okay. So first of all, our compound alkyl halide, that is ethyl chloride, formula CH3CH2Cl, and potassium cyanide formula KCl. Okay. So 1 molar potassium, next 1 molar chlorine. 1 molar potassium, 1 molar chlorine. So byproduct is KCl. And remaining answer CH3 bond, CH2 bond, Cn, CH3 bond, CH2 bond, Cn, and compound name is ethyl cyanide. Formula CH3, CH2, Cl. Next one, react with silver cyanide, formula AgCl. Silver cyanide formula AgCl. First of all, our compound ethyl chloride, CH3, CH2, Cl, one of the alkyl halide, that is ethyl chloride. Formula CH3, CH2, Cl. Plus silver cyanide formula AgCl. So 1 molar silver, 1 molar chlorine. So byproduct is AgCl, silver chloride. And remaining answer CH3 bond, CH2 bond, Nc, not Cl, Nc. So CH3 bond, CH2 bond, Nc, and compound name is ethyl isocyanide. Formula CH3 bond, CH2 bond, Nc. Okay. So first of all, reaction with potassium cyanide. So ethyl chloride formula CH3CH2Cl plus potassium cyanide formula KCl. 1 molar potassium, 1 molar chlorine. So byproduct is KCl. Remaining answer CH3CH2Cl, ethyl cyanide. And next one, same ethyl chloride formula CH3CH2Cl. React with AgCl, silver cyanide. 1 mole of silver, 1 mole of chlorine. So byproduct is AgCl. But main compound is very different. CH3 bond, CH2 bond, Nc. First one Cn and second one Nc. Cn means cyanide and Nc means isocyanide, and compound name is ethyl isocyanide. So first Schwarz reaction, second Finkelstein reaction, and third Williamson synthesis, and fourth one Friedel-Crafts alkylation, fifth one ammonia, sixth one potassium cyanide, and sixth one silver cyanide. In potassium cyanide, main compound is ethyl cyanide. Next, the presence of silver cyanide, main compound is ethyl isocyanide. Ethyl isocyanide. So cyanide formula CN, isocyanide formula NC. And next one. Next one. React with potassium nitrite. React with potassium nitrite. Formula KNO2. Potassium nitrite ITA. Potassium nitrite. First of all, ethyl chloride. Formula CH3 bond, CH2 bond, Cl. So ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride. And ethyl chloride react with potassium nitrite. Potassium nitrite. Formula KNO2. Potassium nitrite formula KNO2. So very simple answer. 1 mole of potassium, 1 mole of chlorine. So byproduct is KCl, potassium chloride. Potassium chloride. And remaining answer CH3 bond, CH2 bond, NO2. CH3 bond, CH2 bond, NO2. And compound name is bond NO2 means nitro, and 2 carbon atoms each and single bond ane. So compound name is nitroethane. So presence of potassium nitrate KNO2. Okay. First of all, ethyl chloride formula CH3, CH2, Cl. And ethyl chloride react with potassium nitrite formula KNO2. 1 mole of potassium, 1 mole of chlorine. So byproduct is KCl. So remaining answer CH3, CH2, NO2. Compound name is nitroethane. Nitro bond NO2. 2 carbon atoms each and single bond ane. Compound name is nitroethane. And next one, react with silver nitride. Silver formula Ag, nitride NO2. Silver nitride. Okay. So first of all, same ethyl chloride formula CH3 bond, CH2 bond, Cl, and compound name is ethyl chloride. Compound name is ethyl chloride. Our compound alkyl halide plus silver nitride formula AgNO2. AgNO2. So very simple answer. 1 mole of silver, 1 mole of chlorine. So byproduct is AgCl. But main product is very important. AgCl, silver chloride. And main compound is CH3 bond, CH2 bond, ONO. CH3 bond, CH2 bond, ONO. In first reaction, NO2. In second reaction, ONO. So compound name is ethyl nitrite. Very important. Ethyl nitrite. Compound name is ethyl nitrite. So nitroethane formula CH3 bond, CH2 bond, NO2, C bond N, carbon next N. Next ethyl nitrite formula C bond O. Compound name is ethyl nitrite. Okay. So first one react with potassium nitrate formula KNO2. Second one react with silver nitrate formula AgNO2. So ethyl chloride CH3, CH2, Cl. Potassium nitrate formula KNO2. 1 mole of potassium, 1 mole of chlorine. So byproduct is KCl. Remaining answer CH3, CH2, NO2. Compound name is nitroethane. Next one, same ethyl chloride CH3, CH2, Cl plus silver nitrate AgNO2. 1 mole of silver, 1 mole of chlorine. So AgCl. Remaining answer CH3, CH2, ONO. And compound name is ethyl nitrite. KNO2. So product is nitroethane. AgNO2. So product is ethyl nitrite. Next one. So next one, reduction of alkyl halides. Next, reduction of alkyl halides. Reduction of alkyl halides. Okay. So first of all, any alkyl halide, for example, methyl chloride, formula CH3Cl. and compound name is methyl chloride. Methyl chloride. In the presence of reducing agent, for example, zinc plus hydrochloric acid, Zn plus HCl. Zn plus HCl, one of the reducing agent. So heading is reduction of alkyl halides. First of all, any alkyl halide, for example, methyl chloride, in the presence of reducing agent, zinc plus hydrochloric acid. So generally reduction means addition of hydrogen atoms or removal of oxygen atoms. For example, addition of two hydrogen atoms. Addition of two hydrogen atoms. First of all, byproduct, one hydrogen atom and one chlorine atom. So byproduct is HCl. Byproduct is HCl, hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. And remaining answer CH3 and second hydrogen atom. So CH3 and addition of second hydrogen atom. So CH4. CH4 compound name is methane, one of the alkane. One of the alkane. So first of all, methyl chloride formula CH3Cl. In the presence of reducing agent, that is zinc plus hydrochloric acid. So reduction means addition of hydrogen atoms, 2 moles of hydrogens. So 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of chlorine, HCl. Next CH3 group plus addition of 1 hydrogen atom, CH4. CH4 and compound name is methane, one of the alkane. For example, ethyl chloride formula CH3 bond, CH2 bond, Cl, and compound name is ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride, CH3 bond, CH2 bond, Cl. Same in the presence of reducing agent, that is zinc plus hydrochloric acid, HCl. HCl. So very simple, same addition of two hydrogen atoms. Two hydrogen atoms. 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of chlorine. So byproduct is same, HCl, hydrochloric acid, hydrochloric acid. And remaining answer CH3, CH2 plus 1 hydrogen atom, that is CH3 bond, CH3. Compound name is ethane. It is also one of the alkane. One of the alkane. So this is reduction of alkyl halides. Reduction of alkyl halides. Any alkyl halide. So methyl chloride or ethyl chloride in the presence of reducing agent, and reduction means addition of hydrogen atoms. Then alkyl halides directly convert into alkanes like methane and ethane. So this is reduction of alkyl halides. And last and final, react with aqueous KOH, not alcoholic KOH, aqueous KOH. Reaction with aqueous. Next one, reaction with aqueous KOH. AQ, aqueous KOH, potassium hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide, formula KOH. Not alcoholic KOH. Alcoholic KOH is the eliminating agent or dehydrohalogenating agent. So next, aqueous KOH, AQ, aqueous KOH. Okay. First of all, ethyl chloride formula CH3 bond, CH2 bond, Cl, ethyl chloride. Our compound alkyl halide, that is ethyl chloride, CH3, CH2, Cl. And ethyl chloride react with aqueous KOH, potassium hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide. So very simple answer. 1 mole of potassium, 1 mole of chlorine. So byproduct is KCl. Byproduct is KCl. Remaining answer CH3, CH2, OH. CH3 bond, CH2 bond, OH, and compound name is ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. See, is aqueous KOH, not alcoholic KOH. Alcoholic KOH is the eliminating reagent or dehydrohalogenating agent. So this is aqueous KOH. Okay, 1 mole of potassium, 1 mole of chlorine, byproduct is KCl, and remaining answer is ethyl alcohol. And next one, react with silver hydroxide formula AgOH. AgOH. First of all, ethyl chloride, that is CH3 bond, CH2 bond, Cl, ethyl chloride plus silver hydroxide formula AgOH. AgOH. Very simple. 1 mole of silver, next 1 mole of chlorine. So byproduct is AgCl. Byproduct is AgCl, silver chloride. And remaining answer CH3 bond, CH2 bond, OH. CH3 bond, CH3 bond, CH2 bond, OH. Same ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. So these are some other chemical reactions. Okay. So in some other chemical reactions, first one is Schwartz reaction, Hincklestone reaction, Williamson synthesis, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, reaction with ammonia, potassium cyanide, silver cyanide, potassium nitrate, silver nitrate. Next one, reduction of alkyl halides, and next aqueous KOH and AgOH. So this is some other chemical reactions. So three properties completed. First property reaction with metals, second property elimination reactions, and third one is some other chemical reactions. Okay, and next last one final property, it is fourth property. Actually heading properties of alkyl halides. Okay, first property react with metals, second property elimination reactions, third property some other chemical reactions completed, and next fourth property is very important, nucleophilic substitution reactions. Nucleophilic substitution reactions of alkyl halides. And previous 4 marks question. Nucleophilic substitution reactions of alkyl halides. Okay, nucleophilic substitution reaction of alkyl halides. What is meant by nucleophilic substitution reactions? Very simple. First of all, alkyl halide. Generally, alkyl halide formula R bond X. So this is alkyl halide. Generally, alkyl halide formula R bond X. So nucleophile generally symbol Nu minus. Nucleophile like OH minus. Nucleophile symbol Nu minus. So then R bond X or alkyl halide converted into R bond Nu, and byproduct is X minus halide ion. Okay. So first of all, alkyl halide form R bond X and nucleophile. Generally nucleophile symbol Nu minus. Then R bond Nu, and byproduct is X minus halide ion. So finally, nucleophilic substitution reactions means in alkyl halides, halogen is replaced by nucleophile. Such type of reactions are called nucleophilic substitution reactions. Okay, so in alkyl halides, R bond X, halogen X is replaced by nucleophile, is called nucleophilic substitution reactions. So finally, nucleophilic substitution reactions means in alkyl halides, halogen is replaced by nucleophile. So such type of reactions are called nucleophilic substitution reactions. Okay, and further nucleophilic substitution reactions are converted into two types. So first one is SN1 reactions. And it is also called primary nucleophilic substitution reactions. Primary nucleophilic substitution reactions. And it is also called primary nucleophilic substitution reactions. And second one, SN2 reactions. So first one is SN1 reactions and second one SN2 reactions. And it is also called secondary nucleophilic substitution reactions, and it is also called secondary nucleophilic substitution reactions. Okay, so nucleophilic substitution reactions means in alkyl halides, halogen is replaced by nucleophile. So such type of reactions are called nucleophilic substitution reactions. And further, nucleophilic substitution reactions are classified into two types. First one is SN1 reactions and second one is SN2 reactions. SN1 means primary nucleophilic substitution reactions, and SN2 means secondary nucleophilic substitution reactions. Okay, so SN1 means primary nucleophilic substitution reactions and SN2 means secondary nucleophilic substitution reactions. So first one subheading SN1 reaction. So actually nucleophilic substitution reactions are classified into two types. First one SN1 reactions and second one SN2 reactions. So first one subheading, that is SN1 reactions. one subheading SN1 reactions. SN1 reactions. SN1 reactions. And it is also called primary nucleophilic substitution reactions. Primary nucleophilic substitution reactions. It is also called primary nucleophilic substitution reactions or SN1 reactions. And best example of SN1 reaction, that is tertiary butyl bromide. Tertiary butyl bromide. Generally tertiary butyl bromide formula CH3 C CH3 CH3 Br. Okay, so compound name is tertiary. T means tertiary butyl. Tertiary butyl bromide. Compound name is tertiary butyl bromide. Tertiary butyl bromide. Formula CH3 bond C bond CH3 bond CH3 bond Br. Tertiary butyl bromide. Okay. And tertiary butyl bromide react with water molecule. Generally water molecule formula H2O or H plus OH minus ion. H plus OH minus ion. First of all, tertiary butyl bromide, and next water molecule formula H plus and OH minus ion. Very simple. H plus ion and Br minus ion. So byproduct is HBr, hydrogen bromide. Hydrogen bromide. And remaining answer CH3 bond C bond CH3 bond CH3 bond OH bond OH CH3 bond C bond CH3 CH3 next OH OH. And the compound name is tertiary butyl alcohol OL. Tertiary butyl alcohol. So first of all basic reaction. So tertiary butyl bromide formula CH3 C CH3 CH3 bond here. Water molecule formula H2O H plus OH minus ion. 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of bromine. So byproduct is HBr. And remaining answer CH3 bond C bond CH3 CH3 bond OH. Tertiary butyl alcohol. Close. Tertiary butyl alcohol. And mechanism of SN1 reaction. Mechanism of SN1 reaction. So first of all, reactant tertiary butyl bromide formula CH3 bond C CH3 bond CH3 bond Br. Tertiary butyl bromide. So first step is very slow step. Very slow step. So very simple bond cleavage. So carbon is a donor atom and bromine is the acceptor. Donor atom charge positive charge and acceptor charge negative charge. So remaining answer CH3 bond C bond CH3 bond CH3 and carbon is a donor atom. So positive charge carbocation or tertiary butyl cation. Compound name is tertiary butyl cation and it is also called carbocation. Actually compound name tertiary butyl bromide. So carbon is a donor atom and bromine is the acceptor. Donor atom charge positive charge, acceptor charge negative charge. So compound name is tertiary butyl cation or carbocation. And byproduct is Br minus plus and minus. Donor atom next acceptor. Donor charge positive charge, acceptor charge Br minus. And first step is very slow step. Next tertiary butyl cation. Generally tertiary butyl cation formula CH3 bond C bond CH3 bond CH3 plus tertiary butyl cation or carbocation. React with water molecule formula H2O or H plus OH minus ion. H plus OH minus ion. And second step is very fast step. So very simple -2 plus. So answer is CH3 bond C bond CH3 and -2 plus so OH. So CH3 bond C bond CH3 bond CH3 OH and byproduct is H plus ion H plus ion, and this is our compound tertiary butyl alcohol, tertiary butyl alcohol, OL, tertiary butyl alcohol. And remaining H plus ion, next Br minus ion, and remaining H plus ion plus Br minus ion. Br minus ion gives rise to HBr, hydrogen bromide. So this is mechanism of SN1 reaction. So first of all, tertiary butyl bromide formula, CH3, C bond CH3, CH3 bond Br. So it is very slow step. And carbon is a donor atom, bromine is a acceptor. Donor atom charge plus charge, acceptor charge minus charge. So CH3, CH3 plus, compound name is tertiary butyl cation. And Br minus ion, bromide ion. Next, second step. So tertiary butyl cation formula CH3, C bond CH3 plus water molecule formula H2O, or H plus OH minus ion. So minus 2 plus. So second step is very fast step. So answer CH3 bond, C bond CH3 OH, and byproduct is H plus ion. And compound name is tertiary butyl alcohol, tertiary butyl alcohol, OL, tertiary butyl alcohol. And last one final H plus ion, next Br minus ion gives rise to HBr. And basic reaction of SN1. Next one, mechanism of SN1 reaction. And first step is very slow step, and second one is very fast step. And last one H plus ion, Br minus ion gives rise to HBr. So next, SN1 reaction. Next, mechanism of SN1 reaction. Okay, mechanism of SN1 reaction. Next. SN1 reaction. Next, mechanism of SN1 reaction. Next, in SN1 reaction, rate of reaction is always directly proportional to the only alkyl halide. For example, tertiary alkyl halide, tertiary small t or 3, tertiary alkyl halide. So rate of reaction is directly proportional to the only alkyl halide. That means R bond X. That's why it is called SN1 reactions. And SN1 reactivity order is SN1 reactivity order is, first of all, tertiary alkyl halides, and next secondary alkyl halides, next primary alkyl halides, and last and final common alkyl halides, CH3 bond X. So SN1 reactivity order is, so first priority tertiary alkyl halide, tertiary symbol. Second priority secondary alkyl halide. Next primary alkyl halide, and last and final common alkyl halide. So very important points. So first point, rate of reaction is always directly proportional to the alkyl halide. For example, tertiary alkyl halide. So that's why it is called SN1 reaction. And second one, SN1 reactivity order is, so first priority tertiary alkyl halide, second priority secondary alkyl halide, next primary alkyl halide, and last one common alkyl halide. So this is SN1 reactions. Okay. So first of all, nucleophilic substitution reactions means in alkyl halides, halogen is replaced by nucleophile. Such type of reactions are called nucleophilic substitution reactions. And further, nucleophilic substitution reactions are classified into two types: SN1 reactions and SN2 reactions. SN1 means primary nucleophilic substitution reactions, and SN2 means secondary nucleophilic substitution reactions. Okay. And SN1 reaction, best example tertiary butyl bromide, and basic reaction and mechanism of SN1 reaction. And next, the rate of reaction is directly proportional to the alkyl halide. That's why it is called SN1 reactions. And SN1 reactivity order is, so tertiary alkyl halides, secondary alkyl halides, primary alkyl halides, common alkyl halides. So this is SN1 reactions completed. And next one, SN2 reactions. So first one, SN1 reactions. are primary nucleophilic substitution reactions. Next. So SN1 reactions close. Next, SN2 reaction. SN2 reactions, and it is also called secondary nucleophilic substitution reactions. Primary nucleophilic substitution reactions, secondary nucleophilic substitution reactions. Okay. And best example of SN2 reactions. That is methyl bromide. So generally methyl bromide formula CH3 bond, we are one of the alkyl halide, and is methyl bromide formula CH3 bond Br. And nucleophile, for example, OH minus. So SN1 reactions, actually methyl bromide. SN2 reactions, methyl bromide formula CH3 bond Br. Then CH3 bond Br converted into CH3 bond OH, methanol or methyl alcohol, and bromide ion Br minus. So CH3 bond OH means methyl alcohol or methanol, methyl alcohol OL, methyl alcohol or methanol. Okay. So fundamental reaction and basic reaction. First of all, methyl bromide formula CH3 bond Br plus OH minus hydroxide ion or nucleophile. Then CH3 bond OH, methyl alcohol, and byproduct is bromide ion formula Br minus. And mechanism of SN2 reaction. So starting reaction, that is alkyl halide, methyl bromide formula CH3 bond Br. So methyl bromide formula CH3 bond Br. Okay. C carbon atom, H3 3 hydrogen atoms, first hydrogen atom, second hydrogen atom, third hydrogen atom, and bromine atom. So compound name is methyl bromide. Okay. CH3 bond Br. And methyl bromide react with hydroxide ion or nucleophile OH minus. So this is addition group, that is OH minus, and leaving group is bromine atom. So very simple. Central atom carbon, and remaining three hydrogen atoms. First hydrogen atom, second hydrogen atom, and third hydrogen atom. Next, leaving group bromine atom. Leaving group bromine atom, and adding group OH minus. So very simple. So first of all, central atom carbon, remaining three hydrogen atoms 1, 2, 3, and leaving group is bromine atom, and adding group OH minus. And this is also called pentavalent state. Pentavalent state or transition state. Actually, generally carbon valence is 4. So, but in transition state, carbon valence is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why it is called pentavalent state. Okay. And further, pentavalent state converted into CH3 bond OH, CH3 bond OH, and byproduct is our leaving group bromide ion formula Br minus. CH3 OH means methanol or methyl alcohol, one of the alcohol OL. So this is mechanism of SN2 reaction. Okay. So first of all, methyl bromide formula CH3 Br plus OH minus gives rise to CH3 OH plus bromide ion Br minus. Next, mechanism of SN2 reaction. Methyl bromide formula CH3 Br plus addition of OH minus, OH minus. And central atom carbon, first hydrogen, second hydrogen, third hydrogen. And leaving group is bromine atom and adding to OH minus. And this is also called pentavalent state or transition state. And further pentavalent state or transition state converted into methanol or methyl alcohol CH3 bond H. And byproduct is bromide ion Br minus. So this is mechanism of SN2 reaction. SN1 reaction, next SN2 reaction. So next. So in SN2 reactions, okay, so SN1 reaction is from SN2 reactions. In SN2 reactions, rate of reaction is directly proportional to the alkyl halide R bond X and OH minus nucleophile. So that's why it is called SN2 reactions. So in SN2 reactions, rate of reaction is directly proportional to the alkyl halide and nucleophile like OH minus. So that's why it is called SN2 reactions. And SN2 reactivity order is SN2 reactivity order is common alkyl halide CH3 bond X, primary alkyl halide, next secondary alkyl halide, and next one tertiary alkyl halide. Okay, so rate of reaction is directly proportional to the alkyl halide and OH minus. That's why it is called SN2 reactions. And SN2 reactivity order is common alkyl halide CH3 bond X, primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide, and tertiary alkyl halide. So this is nucleophilic substitution reactions of alkyl halides. So SN1 and SN2. Best example of SN1 reaction, tertiary butyl bromide, and best example of SN2 reactions. So common alkyl halide, that is methyl bromide. So rate of reaction is directly proportional to the alkyl halide and the nucleophile. That's why it is called SN2 reactions. And SN2 reactivity order is CH3 bond X, primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide, tertiary alkyl halide. Close. So nucleophilic substitution reactions of alkyl halides completed. So actually properties of alkyl halides, 4 properties. First property, reaction with metals like sodium and magnesium. Second property, elimination reactions, and elimination reagent is alcoholic KOH. And third one, some other chemical reactions like Schwartz reaction, Finkelstein reaction, Williamson synthesis, Friedland alkylation, etc. And fourth one, nucleophilic substitution reactions of alkyl halides, that is SN1 and SN2 reactions. And best example of SN1 reaction, tertiary butyl bromide. And best example of SN2 reaction, that is methyl bromide. So alkyl halides completed. And next topic, very important topic. So properties of alkyl halides completed. Next topic. Very simple topic. It is chlorobenzene. Next topic, separate topic. It is chlorobenzene. Generally, chlorobenzene formula C6H5Cl, chlorine atom, chlorobenzene. One of the halogen, aromatic ring, or aryl aromatic ring, halide, for example, chlorine. Okay. So first of all, chlorobenzene formula C6H5Cl. Okay. First of all, preparation methods of chlorobenzene. Preparation methods of chlorobenzene. Very simple. Preparation methods of chlorobenzene. So chlorobenzene formula C6H5Cl. one of the aryl halide. Okay. So haloarine. So preparation methods of chlorobenzene. Generally chlorobenzene formula C6H5Cl. Okay. First method is from benzene. Okay. So benzene formula C6H6. Benzene formula C6H6. So this is benzene. In benzene, every carbon has one hydrogen. At benzene C6H6 are benzene are aromatic. And benzene reacts with chlorine molecule or bromine molecule Cl2 or Br as well as chlorine molecule Cl2. In the presence of iron at 25 degrees Celsius temperature. Okay. So benzene reacts with chlorine molecule in the presence of iron at 25 degrees Celsius temperature. Very simple. 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of chlorine. So byproduct is HCl, hydrochloric acid. And remaining answer C6H5. Actually benzene formula C6H6. So removal of 1 hydrogen. So remaining answer C6H5 and chlorine atom. So C6H5 and chlorine atom. So compound name is chlorobenzene. Our compound chlorobenzene formula C6H5Cl. Okay. So first of all benzene formula C6H6 and benzene react with chlorine molecule in the presence of iron at 25 degrees Celsius temperature. So 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of chlorine. So byproduct is HCl and remaining answer is chlorobenzene. So first preparation method, that is from benzene. And second preparation method. So first preparation method from benzene. So first preparation method is from benzene. And second preparation method, very important. Second preparation method from Stern-Mayer's reaction. Very important. Stern-Mayer's reaction and previous 2 marks question. Okay. So actually heading chlorobenzene and preparation methods of chlorobenzene. First method is from benzene, halogenation of benzene. And second method is Stern-Mayer's reaction. Very important Maywood reaction. One of the most important Maywood reaction in organic chemistry. That is Stern-Mayer's reaction. Okay. So first of all, aniline. Generally, aniline formula C6H5NH2. So this is aminobenzene or aniline. And aniline react with diazotization reagents. That is sodium nitrite formula NaNO2. Sodium nitrite and hydrochloric acid. For example, 2 moles of hydrochloric acid HCl. And temperature 0 to 5 degrees Celsius temperature or 273 to 278 Kelvin temperature. So first of all, aniline formula C6H5NH2 plus sodium nitrate formula NaNO2 plus 2 moles of hydrochloric acid at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius temperature. Then aniline directly converted into C6H5N2 plus Cl minus and byproduct is sodium chloride NaCl plus 2 moles of water 2H2O. And this is benzene diazonium chloride salt, benzene diazonium chloride salt. Formula C6H5N2 plus Cl minus. So aniline formula C6H5NH2, sodium nitrate NaNO2 plus 2 moles of hydrochloric acid at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius temperature, and aniline directly converted into benzene diazonium chloride salt. Formula C6H5N2 plus Cl minus. And further benzene diazonium chloride salt, formula C6H5N2 plus X minus. X means halogens like chloride, bromide, iodide, etc. So benzene, diazonium halide salt, chlorine, chloride, bromine, bromide, X halide. So benzene, diazonium halide salt. In the presence of sand-Mayer's reagents, sand-Mayer's reagent, that is cuprous chloride, Cu2Cl2 by HCl, cuprous chloride by HCl, or cuprous bromide, Cu2Br2, Cu2Br2, cuprous bromide by HBr. Sand-Mayer's reagents are cuprous chloride by HCl, cuprous bromide by HBr. Okay, so first of all, benzene, azo means nitrogen compounds. Benzene, diazonium halide salt. For example, chlorine, chloride salt, bromine, bromide salt, X halide salt. React with sand-Mayer's reagents, that is cuprous chloride by HCl or cuprous bromide by HBr. Very simple answer, chlorine. So chlorobenzene, main product is chlorobenzene, C6H5Cl. Next to bromine, so main product is bromobenzene, bromobenzene, C6H5Br. And byproduct is dinitrogen formula N2, same dinitrogen formula N2. So this is sand-Mayer's reaction. Actually heading preparation of chlorobenzene or preparation methods of chlorobenzene. Next bromobenzene, no problem, chlorobenzene and bromobenzene. Okay, so first of all aniline, sodium nitrate, NaNO2, 2 moles of hydrochloric acid at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius temperature. Then aniline directly converted into benzene diazonium chloride salt and byproducts are sodium chloride and water. And further benzene diazonium halide salt X minus react with sand-Mayer's reagents. Sand-Mayer's reagent. For example, Uju reagent sodium by triether, Grignard reagent magnesium by triether. Same sand-Mayer's reagent cuprous chloride by HCl and cuprous bromide by HBr. Chlorine, chlorobenzene, bromine, bromobenzene, and byproduct is dinitrogen, dinitrogen. So this is sand-Mayer's reaction. So preparation methods of chlorobenzene completed. Only two methods. First method is from benzene or halogenation of benzene, and second method is sand-Mayer's reaction. Okay. So preparation methods of chlorobenzene completed. Okay.